If you ask me how complex French dip nails can get, I'd say the classic or old school style is the simplest. No extra tools or products, just dip, activate, and seal. You'll get cute French nails with a smiley curve, whether you like them wide or thin. But deep French, that's the trickiest for beginners. It takes skill to paint both sides of the deep curve evenly, unless you've mastered using a deep tray, and even then, it's not easy. Now for this ultra slim French tip, I'd rate it a 6 out of 10 in difficulty. That might go up or down a point depending on how steady your hand is. Follow my step-by-step tutorial and let's get this shimmering pink vibe with Plum sparkling slim French tips in just a few minutes.